Learn how to automate schema drift detection and data pipelines using Python scripts to maintain data integrity and reduce manual monitoring efforts. Did you know that schema drift can silently sabotage your data pipeline's integrity? Welcome to our video on automating schema drift detection in data pipelines. In the next 15 minutes, we'll uncover the secrets to maintaining data integrity effortlessly and reducing manual monitoring efforts using Python scripts.
Schema drift refers to the unexpected changes in the structure of your data. These changes can occur when new data fields are added, removed, or altered without any notice, causing havoc in data pipelines. Understanding schema drift involves recognizing its types, such as structural, semantic, or organizational changes, and knowing where they commonly originate. Often, schema drift arises from changes in upstream data sources or evolving business requirements. The real challenge lies in detecting these alterations promptly, as they can compromise data quality, leading to erroneous analysis and insights. By identifying the root causes and impacts, you set the stage for effective schema drift management. The manual monitoring of schema changes is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors. Automation in schema drift detection ensures consistent, real-time monitoring, significantly reducing the risk of undetected changes. Ignoring schema drift can lead to costly data discrepancies and loss of trust in your data systems. Implementing automation tools not only saves time but also integrates seamlessly into a broader data strategy, ensuring long-term data quality and reliability. By automating this process, you free up valuable human resources, allowing them to focus on more complex data tasks.
Before diving into scripting, setting up a robust Python environment is essential. You'll need libraries like Pandas, Schema, and diff-match-patch. Begin by installing Python and choosing an integrated development environment, IDE, like PyCharm or Visual Studio Code. Configure your environment by setting up virtual environments using tools like Venv or Anaconda to manage dependencies effectively. Ensure that your environment is consistent across development and production setups to avoid compatibility issues. Troubleshooting setup problems often involves checking library versions and ensuring path configurations are correct. A well-configured environment is the foundation of successful automation.
Writing effective Python scripts for schema drift detection involves several key steps. Start by establishing connections to your data sources using Schema for databases or API calls for other data formats. The core of the script focuses on comparing current data schemas with a baseline using libraries like Pandas to handle data frame operations and diff-match-patch for spotting differences. Once a drift is detected, the script should log the changes and trigger alerts or updates as necessary. Optimize your script for performance by minimizing data loads and using efficient data structures. This step-by-step scripting process ensures precise and timely schema drift detection. Integrating your schema drift detection scripts into existing data pipelines ensures that they function as part of a cohesive data management system. Utilize pipeline orchestration tools like Apache Airflow or Luigi to schedule and manage script execution. Set up automated triggers that initiate the script when new data is ingested, ensuring real-time monitoring. Ensure compatibility with your pipeline tools by adhering to their API and configuration standards. Scalability is crucial. Design your scripts to handle varying data volumes efficiently. Lastly, establish real-time monitoring dashboards to visualize schema drift occurrences and trends, providing actionable insights. Testing your schema drift detection scripts is as crucial as writing them. Rigorous testing ensures that scripts function correctly under various scenarios. Develop comprehensive test cases that simulate different schema changes and validate the script's ability to detect them. Utilize validation techniques like cross-referencing detected schema changes against known modifications. Handle false positives and negatives by refining your comparison logic and thresholds. Implement continuous improvement strategies by regularly reviewing script performance and updating it based on new schema drift patterns. Effective testing guarantees reliable schema drift detection and builds confidence in your automated processes. Maintaining automated schema drift detection systems requires ongoing attention. Regular script maintenance, including updates for new data patterns and technology advances, is essential. Ensure compatibility with evolving data sources and pipeline tools by staying updated with their updates and changes. Document any changes to scripts and configurations meticulously to aid future troubleshooting and onboarding. Continuously monitor system performance to identify and rectify bottlenecks or inefficiencies. By adhering to these best practices, you ensure that your automated system remains resilient, reliable, and responsive to changes in the data landscape. Seeing theory in action solidifies learning. Let's explore real-world applications of automated schema drift detection. In e-commerce, schema drift can affect product catalog updates, impacting pricing and availability data accuracy. A case study in this sector shows how automation reduced data discrepancies by 30%. In healthcare, Automated detection in patient data management systems ensured compliance with regulatory standards, improving data quality by 25%. These examples highlight the significant impact on business operations, emphasizing the value of automation. Lessons learned from these cases include the importance of precise script logic and proactive monitoring setups. Congratulations on mastering the essentials of automating schema drift detection and data pipelines. We've covered the challenges of schema drift, the power of automation, and how to implement and maintain these systems effectively. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. We invite you to share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who could benefit from it. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we dive deeper into data pipeline optimization techniques.